How to create a black and white background in Capcut. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your background black and white. Let's go. First thing you have to do is open up your Capcut application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, here you're just going to have to go ahead and create a new project. So just import a video. So here's the video that I want to add. So I'm just going to add it to my timeline. So once the video has been added, what you want to do is create an overlay of this video. So I'm just going to tap on the video, duplicate it, and once you duplicate this video, you could easily create an overlay. Tap on the second video and then tap on overlay. Now just adjust the videos on the timeline. Tap on the second video, and here what you're going to have to do is choose the cutout option. So scroll to the side until you find this remove background option. Click on auto removal. This is a pro version feature, but I'm just going to go ahead and use it for now to show you guys how it looks. So just wait for the auto removal to work. And once the background has been removed, what you want to do next is tap on the first video, tap on effects, video effects, go to mono. Here, if you see the mono option, tap on it, or you could just go ahead and search for black and white. And once you search for it, it will show you different options. Choose the one of your liking. And once you choose the video, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here. So once you have chosen your black and white video, you could adjust it like so. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. So if I start playing it, as you can see, the subject is not black and white, and the background will be black and white. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.